in addition to importing a PDF or a JPEG or a TIFF file and using that as a backdrop or to extract data, you can also insert a simple image. And this image may be a JPEG of a logo, or a JPEG or a PNG file of a detail or something that you want to show on your plan view. So to use this command, you're going to go to drafting, and you'll see under drafting elements there's an insert image command. It's going to ask you to pick the file name or the image. So I'm going to use my ellipse button here and navigate out to where this an image that I have I want to bring in. So I'm going to go to this survey intermediate icon here, and here it's just a JPEG, but you can see I can do a TIFF, a GIF, or a PNG, and I'm going to click open. It's going to ask for a layer, so maybe I put this on a layer called images so I can turn it off, and then you're also going to set a scale. So I'm just going to put a scale of 1 and pick the lower left corner for where I want this to be, and you'll see that the image comes in. If I close this and I select the image, you'll see that it has a border, it has a grip that I can move, it has a grip that I can rotate, and it has a grip over here that you can scale. So if you want to change the scale, make it smaller or larger, you can do that. So I can bring this guy down into here. You can also go over to the properties, and on the properties you can change some of the information. So you can change the insertion point, you can change the rotation, the scale, and you can see the file name and path to where it exists. You can also set a transparency, so if I wanted to I could make it 50% transparent, and you'll see that I'll be able to see my line work through that image.